Hi, my name is Jess Palma and I'm a Health Education Specialist and the Joint Information Center Director for Lincoln County Public Health. This is our weekly video update for Thursday, September 3rd, 2020. As of today, Lincoln County has 467 cases of COVID-19, which includes confirmed positive tests and presumptive cases. There have been 7,829 negative tests, 23 ever hospitalized, and 13 deaths. First, let's talk about the information circulating through social media regarding the COVID deaths that was released by the CDC last week. One of the statements going around is that 6% of the people that died from COVID-19 died only from COVID-19. Unfortunately, this is being misconstrued as only 6% of the deaths previously reported as COVID-related were from COVID. But that's simply not true. There are different types of causes of death: immediate, underlying, and contributing. A common example of an immediate cause of death is acute respiratory distress syndrome. An underlying cause of death would be COVID-19 or pneumonia brought on by COVID-19, which are the chain of events leading directly to the death. Then a contributing factor could be asthma, COPD, or diabetes, which makes their illness worse than it would have been. Many Americans have contributing factors and can live a normal, healthy life when these conditions are controlled with medications or proper diet and exercise. If they become ill with COVID-19 and have one of these chronic illnesses, they can get much sicker and have a higher risk of death. None of this is new information. We've known that individuals with certain underlying conditions are at greater risk for severe illness and death. You can learn more about conditions that increase the risk of severe illness on the CDC website, which we have linked on our county COVID-19 page. On Monday, the Lincoln County Board of Commissioners voted to extend the emergency declaration another 2 months to November 3rd. They also voted to delay Phase 2 reopening to September 29th. The commissioners said that they could consider moving to Phase 2 sooner, but they want to have doctors from the Oregon Health Authority attend one of their meetings to discuss the metrics and requirements to move to Phase 2 first. Today, OHA updated the public health indicators. Lincoln County is currently meeting 4 of the 6 metrics. The metrics we are currently not meeting are percent of cases not traced to a known source in the last 7 days. This should be below 30%. It's not met because we are at 42%. We're also not meeting percent of cases in the last 7 days with follow-up within 24 hours. This should be 95%, and it's not met because we are at 83%. With Labor Day weekend coming up, we want to remind you that the safest way to celebrate is to avoid groups and gatherings, to stay home as much as possible, and to follow face covering guidance and social distancing guidelines when outside the home. Past holiday weekends have led to outbreaks in Oregon among people celebrating in risky ways and have led to an uptick in the number of people who have COVID-19. Over the past few weeks, you have helped slow the spread of COVID-19 by following public health guidance. Because of this, we have seen the number of new cases falling. To get these updates and more in your email inbox each week, sign up for Lincoln Alerts. Links are in the video description below. If you have any questions related to COVID-19, you can also contact our call center at 541-265-0621 or email LincolnCoCallCenter at co.lincoln.or.us. Thank you for maintaining physical distance, protecting others with a mask, and washing your hands to keep Lincoln County open.